uses of computer. Computers have become very important in our day-to-day lives. We can find computer at many places such as in school, in hospital, in office, in bank, at shop, at railway station, at home, and it's used for animation and designing. School. Computers are very useful for children and is being taught as a subject in school. They help the children in many ways, such as teachers use computers while teaching. Timetable, report cards, schedules and circulars are being prepared on computer. Children learn to draw and color pictures on computer. Computers are used in a library as well to keep records of books. In hospital. In the hospitals, we can find doctors using computers for many things, such as computers can be used to perform operations. Computers can be used for eye testing. Computers can be used to diagnose a patient's illness, and it can be used to keep a record of all patients and their medical reports. In office. Computers play a very important role in the administration work in offices, such as computers are used to type documents, letters and schedules. They are used to send or receive emails. Computer is used to store large amount of data and information. They are also used to perform calculations. In bank. We can find people using computer in banks. They use computers in many ways, such as computers are used to take out money from the ATM. Computers can be used for preparing bank statement and storing customer information. Computers are used to do calculations and internet banking as well. Shopping malls. Computer is a much needed tool for every shopping mall, as computers are used to calculate and make bills, and they are used to keep record of all items and their prices. In railway station and airport. At railway station and airport, computers play a very important role as they help to keep records of passengers and booking tickets. Computers also help to know the arrival and departure time of train and flight. At home. Computer is much needed at home as well, as it's a source of entertainment also. And we can use it in many things, such as you can listen to music, watch movies, and play games on a computer. And you can search any kind of information on a computer. You can solve sums on them. Computers are also used to make projects. Apart from these places, we can see the usage of computers for many things, such as for space research. Computers can be used for space research and for launching satellites. For designing, computers can be used by architects to design buildings. They can be used by engineers to design any kind of a machinery. They can even be used by designers to to design books, clothes, bag, jewelry, etc. For animation, computers can be used to make animated movies. For defense,
Parts of parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, UPS, speakers, printer, headphone, scanner, pen drive, web camera, joystick. Parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, UPS, speakers, printer, headphone, scanner, pen drive, web camera, joystick. Parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, UPS, speakers, printer, headphone, scanner, pen drive, web camera, joystick. Monitor, keyboard, printer, mouse, speaker, scanner, UPS, webcam, joystick, CPU, pen drive, CD. DVD drive, motherboard, RAM, processor,